Hello, this is Zeus of Toy Olympus, and this will be my first toy review for this channel. In this video, we have Doraemon Nobita Nobi's room set from Keeppley. As a toy collector, I would like to collect toys of IPs that remind me of my childhood days. I'm in the middle of expanding my toy collection, and what better way to start making toy reviews than to talk about one of the anime series that I loved as a kid, Doraemon. Before this review though, let me go back in time. When I was in elementary school, I remember watching Doraemon in the morning after the morning news show on a local TV channel. I remember finding Nobita relatable because I was a loner kid most of the time. As for Doraemon, I love how he can offer solutions to Nobita's problems, but he also acts as a disciplinarian to make us realize that, just like Nobita, what you wanna do is not necessarily what you're gonna do, and that every action has limitations. I think everyone must have that kind of friend. Thankfully, growing up, I met friends who played that role for me. Well, minus the awesome gadgets, that is.
Anyway, how about you? Did you love Doraemon too? Feel free to drop a comment below. Now, going back on topic, we have here a set from Keeppley of Nobita Nobi's room as featured in Doraemon. Apparently, this is a licensed Doraemon merch, but it's not an official LEGO product. This set includes 3 numbered bags of pieces, 8 by 16 and 6 by 16 studded tiles for the base of the build, and an instruction booklet. Here's pack number 1. And here are the figures.
This Nobita figure is likely inspired by the LEGO Friends mini dolls. He can sit down like this, his head can rotate, and swivel on the shoulders and wrists. This Doraemon figure, in my opinion, looks accurate. It has swivel joints on the shoulders so you can raise and lower the arms. Now, here is a stop-motion build of the set.
Well, for the most part at least. Here's pack number 2. And here's the time machine drawer. Lastly, here's pack number 3. It's almost done. Here is the fully assembled build. As you can see, the set includes loose parts such as dorayaki pieces that Nobita can hold. Here are my final thoughts. I think this set is good enough and it's a must-have for any Doraemon fan. I prefer Nobita's yellow shirt though. But the red shirt aside, I'm happy with this set. I wish I could get my hands on this other set. I will definitely do a review of that once I get it. Anyway, that's it. What are your thoughts on this set? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider clicking subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.